For this video, I'm going to be taking down all of my Christmas decorations. I'm going to be sharing with you guys how I clean or store everything. So stick around for a quick clean with me video and how I store my Christmas decorations. If you'd like to see all of that, keep on watching this video. Let me show you guys a quick overview of everything, what everything looks like. I know I almost forgot to do that. I just removed the stockings from the entertainment center there. But yeah, this is what everything looks like. I didn't decorate a lot for Christmas this year. Only what you see there, the Christmas tree and pretty much the entertainment center there. So all that is gonna be taken out. And I know it's gonna look empty after. We just bought this furniture piece here, so I don't know what I'm gonna put here once I take everything out. So we'll see how it looks. Just want to show you guys really quick what everything looks like. So this is the before. So I got this organizer to store our Christmas tree. I'm hoping the Christmas tree will fit. This is what I've done so far. I took down most of the Christmas decorations, the lights there. If there is any space there, I might put some of the stuff in there. I'm not quite sure. If not, I'm just gonna put it in. I was looking for newspaper, but I don't have any, so I think I'm just gonna put them in plastic bags and then put them in the containers or organizers. So yeah, I'm almost done. This is what I've got. The good thing is I don't have to take down the Christmas lights. I'm so happy that we got this Christmas tree because that just makes everything so much faster. Like I don't have to be doing that. So yeah, this is what everything looks like as of right now. Looks pretty empty already. I have some vases or containers where I put the plants, but I think they look pretty good like that. So I'm just gonna leave them like that. And I'll just keep going with the rest. Just wanted to update you guys on what was going on in case you guys didn't get to see everything, because I put my camera over there and I don't think I got everything that I was doing. So, and I'm just gonna keep going. So this is the tree organizer that we bought from Walmart. I think it was about $20 and it's great. Look at that, it fits perfectly. I think this is a 7.5 foot Christmas tree and it fits great. I'm going to try and fit some of the stuff in here because there is room, like the stockings and that kind of stuff. So I'm gonna do that right now. Update, I already cleaned up and picked up the Christmas tree. It wasn't too bad. And then here in the entertainment center, I almost forgot. I have to take this down. Almost forgot. I already swept. I'm just gonna give the quick vacuum on the carpet because even though you sweep or mop, and you end up picking up glitter like later on as well. So yeah, I'm just gonna get that cleaned up. I'm gonna be using a rag, and then this cleaner here removes dust and messes 3 times better. So yeah, dust, clean, and shine. So this is the before. I'm gonna give you guys a quick overview. I haven't picked up a couple things back there. This is what everything looks like, the living room as of right now. I know, pretty empty. I don't even know what I'm gonna put over there on that furniture. But this is what it looks like. No Christmas tree. Pretty empty. Thank you guys so much for sticking around and watching this video. There's going to be more cleaning videos on this channel, so stick around and don't forget to subscribe and to hit that like button to watch more cleaning videos. Question of the day. I would really like to know, when do you guys put your Christmas tree up? I like to put my Christmas tree up in mid-November because we celebrate Thanksgiving here at home with the family, and when they come over to visit, I like to have my Christmas tree already up. But let me know when you guys start putting your Christmas tree up. Also, let me know in the comments below, when do you take down your Christmas tree? The date that you saw on the furniture over there, it is January 10th. I know it's a bit late. I actually wanted to pick it up earlier this year, but I was not feeling it. I was a bit sick, so finally got to it today. Thank you guys so much for watching. May God bless you all, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye.